motherfucker already ready to burn rubber.
You see it, gang? We out here in Sycamore. You know what I'm saying? We in the hood. My boy got the whole block hot.
Yeah, with that burnout. Hey, look at his tire marks, gang. That Chevy's still on go.
Hey, he lived right here. He marked his own in front of his crib.
That Chevy's still on go.
Hey, he wanted to make sure if it still runs.
It's still running.
Oh shit.
What's that skip pad? This skip pad sitting low. Yes, sir.
So you see, gang man, we're gonna ask him what his reaction is to the car. If he will hire us again.
No.
Oh, brother Chris.
We got it delivered on the spot too.
Yeah, VIP straight to the door. Shit, we'll go over there so you can record. So they can see how it feels to be in the hood again.
Oh, you talking about like with Annalie Chopper?
Yeah. Record the sign.
Yeah, we ain't. You know he missed that box.
How did it feel? I'm a baby boy. You marked the hole in front of the crib.
I be drunk and food sometimes. You got a title? What year?
This is the one that been on here, right?
Long cheese by this, Chris.
Look at that little ass song.
Huh? Look at, you said what?
What the deal like everybody else?
Yeah, what deal was that?
4,000, then I do that series.
Oh no, fuck that. Like that, how much like that? The way it is.
1,500.
We got a bag of money and we won't try to charge off.
Yeah, just because.
What else is for sale? Come on, look around.
Yeah, see it, gang, man. This is what we're coming for right here. Double
This
stitching
is the
right
thing I was
top.
talking about, gang. I don't like these tail lights the way they are in the bumper. Like that. What year is this?
I think it's a 70.
A 70? The 70s come like that?
Yeah.
What you think, gang? You like them?
And I mean,
I don't like that back bumper. I would change that.
I mean, I'll still drive it.
I mean, I will too, but I'm not feeling the tail lights like that.
I like it. I could dig it.
Can you use this something like this?
Looks solid. Okay, so everything changed. Yeah, it's not like the bubble look of the 72, 71 we got, my bad, gang. Yeah, this Monte Carlo right here is for sale. They got a Burt right there. It looks like. I like this colors right here, man. This one's clean. I just don't like this pinstripe in the back on the trunk. This one got a little pearl to it. I I guess they're redoing the inside. Sunroof, rag top. This one don't got the double stitching. I like the double stitching better. Cadillac. Pontiac. Catalina. I got a Buick. Box. This convertible right here looks mint. It's a Delta 88 Oldsmobile. Yes, sir. I ain't really just a big fan of these, gang. I don't know. It's probably the front. This one's the LS. LS Caprice. Big roof. Another lat. Grand National. There's a lot of fire stuff out here, gang. I ain't gonna care to you. Grand National. Let us know if y'all want to see a Grand National come to the channel. That'll be dope. That'll be a dope lineup. This got to be an old Cadillac right here, gang. These are the wheels that we used to ride back in the day. 2000, 2010. C10. Y'all see what we brought out here, gang. We brought the Caprice full top, getting a rag top. This one's getting a rag top put on the game.
How long until you be done with this? The weekend? Maybe we gotta drop this one Monday or Sunday. What they say?
I think Monday, Sunday, one of them. This was getting a sunroof.
Nah, he didn't want to. Unless you want to do it for free. I could give me a better deal. Yeah, I give you a good deal. All right, let's shut this camera off, man. He's talking now. Look, he got the smile. That's the smile we love, gang. That's the Corey smile right there. Hey, Taylor loves money. Look at another LS. Is this one for sale? Yeah, man. Who else is buying anything around here? Taylor, I mean, every time I come, what do I ask? Always trying to buy something, right? But you know what? A lot of people say that we cappers, man. We ain't got the money. Nah, what you think about that? Nah, it'd be alright. We don't cap though. Every time I come with blue, all blues, right? Like you don't want me recording. You don't want me recording you. Man, that's why he didn't want me coming in here. Until he was thinking like, man, that's he says about Chevy. So you follow us though?
Yeah, I text you all the time.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I be calling you and shit.
Right? So many people be inbox like, who the fuck is he no more?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Everybody needs something like that one. That was bruh. People be sending their cars to me. That's from North Carolina, bro. He rather trust me to get shit done. All these shots playing, bro.
Yeah.
So he's out in overseas and He said, bro, I'm sending my car to you and shit. He sends it, bro. That's why I tell people, man, like, man, we don't play around. I got it.
Nah.
We go, like Taylor, I've been fucking, how long have I been fucking with you? Probably you thought I was crazy the first time you met me, right? You said, man, was I Box Chevy King then? No, right? I don't think so, right?
Yeah, they still had the same name.
Huh? Box Chevy King? That was what, 4 years ago? Bro, I took that name. People were calling me Box Chevy King, and I just said, fuck it, let's run with it. Hey, bro, not knowing that motherfucker came with a lot of good things, bro. Like, I swear to you, all these cars is all people that send me over from out of state.
I ain't gonna lie, you had plain ass pre-Zans.
Shit, but I'm not getting no more.
You know what you told me?
I'm not getting no more,
because I was
bro.
supposed to get the
But
other
what's your
jump
name
from
on Facebook, girl? Nah,
I'm Bobby Rogers on that jump.
oh, you be inboxing.
Yeah, that's what I said. I stay calm. I got the number and everything.
That's the Impala.
And then Impala, I got an El Camino.
Look, bro,
Couldn't.
a lot of people be inboxing me, look, and a lot of people probably get like, man, what the fuck? You don't respond back? Bro, I swear, I'll show you my phone. I got so many messages. I don't know who the fuck is who, bro, and then I'll look, and then, like, if we don't do no, like if we don't do no business, I used to see like, man, they from Memphis. I don't know what the fuck they be trying to get. But you know what I'm saying? You just gotta be careful, bro. But now at least I got to meet you in person. You know what I'm saying? So what you doing with that Impala?
Yeah, that's what I just talking about.
Oh, you were inboxing me about the Parasine too.
Yeah, the blue.
Yeah.
I still get the El Camino. Taylor just did the roof.
What you got for sale?
The Impala. Shit, I got a Cullis up the street at the house. And my El Camino. On my Impala, shit, I do U10. I got online for like 13.
What does it need paint?
Nah, but it mother black like that truck.
So it don't need paint.
LS swap. Nah, you can drive.
Oh, it's LS swap?
Yeah.
It got rims?
Nah, it got the factory on 5-star.
So is it a real deal? No clone?
Nah, I don't even play like that.
Oh shit, gang. We might be bringing Impala to the channel. Why didn't you buy it, Tim?
Look, he waited on me to do the roof in the I just
so
picked
all the leather's good in it?
The 2 front seats, they get a little ripped like when you sit your butt in. But other than that, that's my daily drive. I really had just brought my partner over here. So let him look at that, yep. Yeah. Little dog, but other than that, it's my daily drive.
Send me pictures of it. I don't know if you sent me some, bro. Send it to me. Shit, we locked in now. I know who you is.
Okay,
shit, you know, sometimes I don't know. People want to meet me, bro. I don't know what the fuck is going on.
Yeah, I already know.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
I already know.
Yes, so big shout outs to North Carolina, my boy, for sending me that Chevy. It ain't gonna take us. You say it's gonna be done when?
Next Saturday.
Saturday, you see it again. We move that quick, you know what I'm saying? So anybody out there that wants to send their Chevys to Box Chevy King, send them, man. We'll take as many as we can. Ain't gonna. I promise you, if you all send me 10, we'll be done before these other shops get to y'all, anyways. So yeah, we'll cut you all back, man. We're gonna look at this Impala real quick. What up, gay man? I'm out here with my boy Heavy Cam, Sean Shane. We had to come see his business, man. He got a Vert that he got for sale, but we came and it's not even here, man. We're gonna come check it out in a couple of days.
We'll show y'all it later. But these is all on sale. Whatever make and model that you desire, I guarantee you we can make it happen. Cheapest price than anybody in town. Like I always say, is auto sale bid. You stay on go, baby. Y'all tap in with BCK, man. Get them tickets. Matter of fact, I'm gonna buy me a few right now. But then if I win, they might think we cheating. So
Hey, bro, it's your luck.
I'm gonna get out of there. But y'all tap in with BCK, man. Get them tickets, man. Y'all win. What is it?
It's a Cadillac or a Box Chevy. You pick one.
Yeah. So they get the pick from the Box Chevy.
Box Chevy.
Oh man, y'all gotta hit me up and go grab them tickets, man. Keep the whip on the wall, man. All glass, man. This is auto sale.
Hey, anybody that got the Don Verts unlocked is my boy right here. But this is how I met him. I saw it on the internet, man. Like, he was going viral on Facebook. I think on Instagram. Yeah, I said, man, he got all the same color Verts. I think he had like 5, 4, I don't know how many.
Yeah.
He had all baby blue ones, gang. Everybody saw that.
And then look, in a few days, we're gonna go to the crib. We're gonna show y'all the Verts, give you a personal tour. All them stuff. Let's show them a few of the wheels we got for sale.
Yeah, but hey, he got one for sale, so that might be coming home to us.
Never know.
We speaking now.
It's on the
Escalade tail light. You got the photo porch right there. 20 racks to get him. 20 racks to get him. Peanut butter interior. You got the 2017 Infinity QX70. 10 racks to get him. And then show them the
We got 20 here.
Hey, see, yeah.
Hey, we got 20 here.
Hey,
You got the
hand it
title.
over and you get the title and the key right there. That's how we can do it, live in effect. And then you gotta throw me in the period of tickets for the route. And then show them this right here. We keep these GMCs, Tahoes, Yukon, your Silverado. Y'all can get it already mounted on 6. Keep them out. Anything close to 20 will get it. Got the updated headlights already mounted on 6, man. Y'all tap in. SS Auto Sale business. We stay on go. If y'all want to inquire about any vehicle, we set them as Infinity right now, so that's gone. But I keep stuff like that in stock. If y'all want to inquire about any one of these vehicles, hit the line 901-553-8064. SS Auto Sale business. We stay on go, baby. We located at the corner of 3rd and Mallory, right across the street from Interstate Barbecue, and right down the street from the Martin Luther King Park. Hey, show them the little special we got on the corner too. We keep little whips like this in stock. This is a 2007 Nissan Altima. We asking $6,000. The reason it's $6,000, this car only got 50,000 actual miles on it, one on. The door locked right now, but she's super clean. Ain't no check engine lights on. Everything work. If y'all need a vehicle, do not hesitate to reach out. 901-553-8064. We keep cars under $5,000 in stock. Y'all tap in. Get with Box Chevy King too and grab them tickets, man. We on go, baby. For sure.
All right, we'll cut you all back, gang. We got to talk about that verse.